Oh, I can feel it. There will be a firework. 아 뜨거, 씨, 아 뜨거, 씨, 뜨거, 씨, 뜨거, 씨, 뜨거, 씨, 개 뜨거, 뜨거, 씨, 씨, 개 뜨거. 오늘 뭔가를 찍을 생각이 전혀 없었는데 갑자기 찍게 됐습니다. I didn't have any plans to film my vlog today, but there's something happened. Let's see. I bought a tenderloin to make a barbecue, and then I just put it in the fridge and then see. I don't know how to rip off this styrofoam from the meat. What should I do? Guys, please let me know. I really want to eat this today, but I don't know. It's getting melted, and then I think I can leave off within the 1 hour. Tastes like a styrofoam, I guess. Today I'm gonna make a Korean bibimbap. It is instant noodle, and it tastes like spicy and a little bit sour. It takes half an hour to lift up all those styrofoam. So now I'm going to boil it a little bit and then bake it. Well, these days that the Ramadan season is begins, so it's not easy to film interesting videos because all those shops is closed during the daytime and they open at the nighttime. But for the foreigners, it's not easy to look around the city at the nighttime, and then I prefer to move at the daytime. That's why there is no much things to update my vlogs, but I will just keep trying to update my vlog on a YouTube channel. If there is anything you want to recommend to do during the Ramadan season, please leave the comment on my video. Oh, I can feel it. There will be a firework. 아 뜨거, 씨, 아 뜨거, 씨, 뜨거, 씨, 뜨거, 씨, 뜨거, 씨, 개 뜨거, 뜨거, 씨. 오씨, 됐다고. 점점 악마의 음식이 되어가는 것 같은데.
야, 이 비주얼이 뭔가 지옥의 음식을 먹는 것 같은데 이거 먹어도 되나? 먹으면 안 될 것 같은데. 음, 음, 정말 맛있어.